with a built-in fluffy pillow for premium comfort. The comfort cinch on the back lets you adjust between an upright or reclined sitting position. Tighten the cinch to sit forward, loosen the cinch to kick back and relax. With its sturdy frame and wide base, Cliq Lounge is tip-proof and stable. Setup and takedown is just as easy as the original Cliq chair. To set up, release the strap and let the legs swing down until the magic hub locks into place. Extend the arms on the telescopic frame until the 4 buttons click. Pull the strap on the comfort cinch to adjust the pillow position. To pack up, fully release the comfort cinch and press the buttons to collapse the telescoping arms. Press the button on the magic hub to unlock.
Positions, adjustable armrests, an insulated portable beverage holder, a large zippered storage pocket on the backrest, and a matching storage tote with a shoulder strap. It has a folding steel frame that can hold up to 300 pounds, and a comfortably padded seat and backrest covered in durable polyester canvas. The reclining camp chair is great as a spectator chair. With its lightweight folding steel frame and beverage pocket, this is the ultimate chair for comfort and convenience. The PTXL camp chair features an extra wide seat for maximum relaxation, a beverage holder on its armrest, a lightweight frame, a carrying bag for easy transportation, and a weight capacity of 400 pounds. Take the PTXL camp chair on your next outdoor adventure, or simply use it for a relaxing afternoon in your backyard. Unfold the PTXL and relax with your favorite.
Dual lock experience and is made from diamond ripstop polyester with a breathable mesh back. The Kijaro dual lock chair weighs just under 9.5 pounds but can hold up to 300 pounds with no sag seating, 2 different sized mesh cup holders, and a side pocket organizer. The Kijaro dual lock chair provides you with superior seating and portability.